guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you my first ever try cooking saucy chicken legs. I got this recipe from my client's house earlier and I decided to give it a try. I read the procedure and it's pretty much easy to do. I did it tonight and I thought I'm gonna share it to you. Baka magustuhan nyo. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the ingredients I use: onions, chicken broth. I only use half cup of chicken broth, half cup of sour cream, and a can of cream of chicken soup, and lemon juice, that's 2 tablespoons. And yeah, I just want to show you the brand I use for my cream of chicken soup, Campbell's. And of course chicken and oil. And yeah, first thing to do is fry the chicken, make it brownish. I did mine for 15 minutes. I did each side. You don't have to make it so brown, just a little, changes of color skin. And then in the other pan I saute onions. I use half of onion. And I put the cream soup. I was gonna use 1 can, but then I look at the label and it says 17% of sodium, so I just use like half because I don't want to get all the sodium in there. And then I added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And stir it well, mix it well guys, and don't let it boil. Put it in a low heat and make sure lang talaga na na-mix mo siya ng maayos. And then I put half teaspoon of paprika. In the procedure guys, it says use 2 teaspoons, but then I only use half, and it's supposed to add salt, but then I skip it because there's already a lot of sodium in some of the ingredients. So that's the mixture guys. Mix it very well. I don't have the video for putting my sour cream because nobody's gonna take it. My husband is outside. So just mix it well, and then yeah, when the chicken turn it brown, as you can see it's really brown, put it in a pan, your baking pan, and yeah, just transfer your chicken to the baking pan. Yeah, after you put the chicken in a baking pan, mix your sauce again, and after transferring the chicken into the baking pan, pour the mixture, the sauce that you made, all over the chicken, and make sure you got it all. So you have your chicken and your sauce ready. Preheat your oven for 350 degrees and bake it for 20 minutes or more. I did mine for 25 minutes. And And here guys, luto na po siya. I did mine for 25 minutes and yeah, it looks yummy. And I hope you guys like the video. Give it a thumbs up guys and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in my next one.